Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use a green screen on CapCut easily. So select a video, any video you like, and don't forget to search up like green screen frame, green screen phone on Pinterest or anywhere to get the green screen. Then go to overlay, add overlay, and add in the green screen. So I'm just going to select this one and press add and sort of make it fit to the video. And then I'm going to adjust it till the end of the video too, like so. Select the overlay, select chroma key, and select the green part of the video. Select intensity and adjust it so the green part of the video is gone. You can also add in like a shadow too if you'd like. And I'm also going to select the video and make the video smaller like so. Okay, there you go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!